Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. So, today is an update on all things fashion as usual. I'm actually doing a continuation of birthday gifts, and to be honest, it's still my birthday month, and so we're still celebrating. And because I got a little bit of a late start, we're going to be celebrating into July. So, I'm going to get right into it. I have some birthday gifts that I purchased myself and a few things from others that I want to share with you. It's going to be a super, super quick video. So just don't blink because it's going to be over in like, you'll see. The first thing I want to highlight is a gift from one of my friends who got me an Amazon gift card. And so I really like gift cards because it allows me to pick what I want. Although I do enjoy like the surprise and the suspense of somebody getting me something that they chose and they think that I like, but having a gift card also is great too. So one of the special things that I picked out amongst some, I always got to pick some fun things. I picked like some candy and all kinds of other things. But one of the fun things that the better things that I chose was this pair of earrings. And it's like these little, faux diamond stud earrings. But the cool thing about it is that it has my initial above the stone there. So you guys know, those of you who watch me a lot, I absolutely love things that have my initial, my initials, monogram, my full name, my nickname, my zodiac, my something about me, just because I'm that vain. Something about me on my stuff that I wear or on my person or whatever. So this is no different. I saw these and they were stunning. These remind me of all of the little Kate Spade studs that I normally get, but with a little extra oomph on there with my initials. So I thought this was perfect. It was very affordable. Go ahead and check it out. This says it's from a brand called Le Cherry or El Cherry. I don't know how we want to pronounce that. But I'm as usual, I'm going to link as much as I can down below. So if you really like it and want to get your own initial, the link will be down below. But I thought these were really adorable and would go great in my ears. I don't know where I'm going to stick them because I'm going to get more piercings. We're going to talk about that in about a month or so. But I'm going to get some more piercings in these ears and we'll see where these fit and all of that chaos. The next thing is a gift to myself. You guys absolutely know that I can't go a birthday without buying myself a bunch of things. This one is a very super adorable dress from Free People, one of my favorite brands. I have so many favorite brands. It's almost hard to say that I actually have favorites, but this has been one that, like, I want to say during this whole pandemic that I've been consistently returning back to. There's no way that you don't love Free People. Everything about it is very, it's beautiful to me. It's well made. Well made enough, right? The only gripe is the price is usually high. So I only get these on sale, and I got this from Nordstrom Rack. It's this really pretty shirt dress that has a bunch of flowers and ruffles. So it's very feminine and sexy at the same time. I say Free People does feminine and sexy really, really well. This one was originally, let's see, how much were you? $128, and I got it for $40. So what's interesting about that, you guys know how I shop. $40 seems like a great deal. It's what, a third of the price? Less than a third of the price, right? It's still expensive for me. So this was definitely a treat for myself. The last thing, I need to make some space because it's a huge, huge gift from one of my friends. And, it came in this huge box from a company called Mark and Graham. And apparently it's owned by Williams and Sonoma. I think most of you are familiar with Williams and Sonoma, but I did not know about this brand, Mark and Graham. What I do intend to get this personalized if I can, so I'm going to look into that. But it had this beautiful unboxing experience when I got it. First of all, I wasn't expecting it until I think 2 days from now. So when it came, I'm like, what is this huge, huge box? Opened it up. To my surprise, it was wrapped beautifully. Everything came so nicely, and the little touches is what I really loved about it. Opened it up, and this beautiful bag was in here. You guys know, like, when I go out and about downtown and shopping and all of that, I always have like my little cloth shopping bags and stuff like that. And whenever I'm moving around, this one is high class, elevated. Oh my gosh, to the nth degree of what I would normally carry around when I'm out and about in my downtown goings on. This is beautifully made. The leather you can smell a mile away, because it's um, just delicately made and just really high quality. I mean, I wish you could see. Maybe you can. You can see the detail here. The quality on this is amazing. It is the stitching on here is really nice. Um, I think this will work for me. And then the other cool thing about it is it does have a crossbody bag. It has these little hooks here. Crossbody bag. I can put that around and wear it the long way, which is most likely. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. I'm probably this is how I shop, right? And so maybe I'll do it that way. I'm not sure exactly. So, but it's good to always have the option to do crossbody if you want to switch things up. Has this wonderful pocket here for the easy access things that I don't care if they get stolen or not. So like my lip gloss and chapstick and things like that. I haven't unpacked this to see how it's made on the inside, but let's do that together now. So it's one big opening, which is perfect for me for shopping, because then I get to put all of my things in here from a shopping perspective. It's just one big pouch. And then I could slip the other more delicate things, like I said, like my lip gloss and things like this on the big pouch. So I really, really like this. This is definitely something I'm going to carry around and feel so elevated and chic and rich. You know, I like to feel rich. As I go shopping around down on the Magnificent Mile, on the Gold Coast, all of the things in the loop with my new bag. So I absolutely love this. And if I do have the opportunity to do so, I'm going to get it hot stamped or monogrammed right here with like a, really fancy R or something like that. I think that'll be cute. So that brings us to the end of today's video. You got to come back on Friday. I got a ton of updates coming for you on Friday. So set the bell if you haven't already. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out, because I have some really big things to share with you. And actually Friday, Sunday, everything coming up is going to be amazing. So you just definitely got to come back. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, share it with your friends. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions about anything, as usual, I am happy to answer. And then also, I link as much as I can down in the comments down below, in the description box down below. So if you're interested in any of these things, definitely will have the information available for you there. Thank you so much for watching. This was a quick one today. Thank you for coming. Come back again.